If Instagram keeps crashing on your iPhone, don't panic. Here's a quick and easy way to fix it, so let's jump right in. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the App Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap on it and let it install. Next, try force closing the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe Instagram off the screen. After that, reopen it. Now, let's restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, slide to turn it off, then turn your iPhone back on and open Instagram again. Then, check your iPhone storage as well. Go to the settings and then tap on General followed by iPhone storage. Here, make sure there's enough free space because low storage can make app crash. If your Instagram still isn't working, delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Finally, make sure your iPhone itself is up to date. Go back to the General Settings menu and then tap on Software Update. Here, if an update is available, tap Download and Install. Keeping your iPhone updated can prevent apps from crashing. And that's all. Follow these steps and Instagram should stop crashing on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.